Good afternoon. Welcome to the forecast discussion for December 5th, 2020. Well, we had some very heavy rainfall and a little bit of snow over the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas this morning. That storm is starting to lift out into the Atlantic and towards the Gulf of Maine. We still have periods of snow starting to develop around Connecticut, and what we're setting up here is what we call a pivot in the precipitation shield as our low pressure system organizes. And we also still have some rain mixing with snow at times over Long Island as well. All of this will continue to lift up to the northeast with chilly and windy conditions over the rest of the Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan areas, with temperatures falling through the 30s and 40s and winds from the northwest at 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts over 35 miles per hour at times. On our surface map, you can see our storm intensifying and lifting off to the northeast. High pressure is in control as we look to our west, which means tranquil conditions are on the way. On the radar, you can see that pivot really taking shape here very nicely. Now, what's going to happen is that as this low pressure system is lifting northeast, this precipitation shield will basically stop and stall for a bit. And while that's happening, it's going to transition over to snow as surface temperatures start to fall into the lower 30s. And we'll start to see snow accumulating, especially over northeastern and northern Connecticut. That's going to continue on until about 6-7 p.m. and then start to exit out into the Atlantic, clearing a way for the rest for these locations to start to dry out. Long Island, you'll see rain mixing with snow at times continuing, especially for the east end. But everyone else is pretty much just with scattered clouds and windy conditions for the rest of the evening. On our infrared satellite picture, you can see our storm exiting out. And then we're going to have to watch this little disturbance right up here, right there, right around the northern plains. This is going to be diving down and heading towards the mid-Atlantic by the time we get to Monday and Tuesday, and it may produce a few snow flurries here and there. So let's dive into this forecast for today. Rain and snow exiting. Look for temperatures to fall through the 40s and 30s today. For tonight on through tomorrow morning, sky clouds. Watch out for a few flurries. Lows in the mid-20s to lower 30s. For tomorrow afternoon, sky clouds are expected with a northwesterly wind around 5 to 15 miles per hour. High temperatures will range from the upper 20s to lower 30s over the interior, mid to upper 30s along the coast. On Monday, there's our low pressure system, and watch this little trough here and here possibly interact and produce a few snow showers. We'll have to watch that very carefully. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 20s for lows and lower to mid 30s for highs. It's going to be chilly out there. On Tuesday, watch out for a few flurries in the morning, followed by scattered cloud cover. Lows in the lower to mid 20s over the interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the lower to mid 30s. Look for Wednesday to feature scattered clouds and a few flurries here and there. Lows in the lower to mid 20s over the interior, mid to upper 20s along the coast. High temperatures in the mid to upper 30s. On Thursday and Friday, high pressure will generally be in control with scattered cloud cover. Look for lows on Thursday in the upper 20s to lower 30s, highs in the lower to mid 40s. On Friday, look for lows in the upper 20s to lower 30s and lows in the mid to upper 40s. And then on Saturday, a cold front will move through the region with a few scattered showers. Lows in the upper 30s to lower 40s, highs in the mid 40s to lower 50s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino, and as always, stay safe out there.